Apparently somebody pulled a fire alarm. One of the kids in class must have pulled a fire alarm or something. Well, at least it ain't as loud as it used to be for the security. Well, that's some entertainment for the day. Now everybody knows there's no fire. Now fire, that's a good thing, but nobody knows who pulled the fire alarm. Well, except for the one person who was embarrassed, that's probably his son, but I'm not going to say who it was. It's just a little kid, though, who probably didn't know better, but still caused chaos during the service.